This video will show you how to copy your teaching material in all of your Angel courses and save that material to your computer so that it can be moved to Blackboard later. The first thing you want to do is go to the Lessons tab of the course from which you want to copy material. Do not copy publisher cartridges or publisher protected material because it won't function correctly in Blackboard. Later on, when you get your Blackboard courses, you'll also get new publisher cartridges, so don't copy this material. Essentially, you'll be copying material that you created and uploaded to Angel, things like PowerPoints, Word documents, videos, and so forth. The next thing you want to do is create folders on your computer that look just like the folders in the Lessons tab. So I'm going to go to my computer. I want to put those folders on my desktop. I'm going to start by creating a parent folder that will hold all the material for all of my Angel courses. New folder. I'm going to call this something like Blackboard Courses. Inside Blackboard Courses, I'm going to create subfolders for each of my courses. New folder. This course is English 1101. Inside English 1101, I'm going to create all of the subfolders that I see in the Lessons tab. New folder. The first one is Online Semester Class. The next one, Web Enhanced Class. And the last one, Online 10-Week Class. When I'm finished creating those subfolders, I'll open the first subfolder in Angel and begin copying the teaching material that's in it. I'm going to start with the Online Semester Class. It has 5 subfolders in it, so I go to the Online Semester Class on my computer and create those 5 subfolders. When I'm finished creating the subfolders, I open the first subfolder in Angel and I begin copying the teaching material inside that subfolder. If you have information like this that's actually part of the folder, what I would suggest you do is copy it and paste it into a Word document and move it to the correct folder on your computer. Here are the files inside this folder, and I'm going to copy them one at a time. To do that, I click the first file, right-click its link, choose Save Target As, and then find the folder on my computer where I want this to go. It's on my desktop. It's called Blackboard Courses, English 1101, Online Semester Class, and this should go in the Start Here folder. I click Save, and I can change this file name if I want to, but I want it to be named on my computer the same thing that it's named in Angel. So I click Save, and now if I click the Start Here folder on my computer, there's the first file. I return to the folder in Angel and I copy the next file the same way. Click it, right-click its link, Save Target As, and by default my computer opens the folder that I copied the last document into, so all I have to do is click Save. And there's my second file. Return to the folder, and I proceed through each file the same way to copy it to my computer. These 2 files are linked to my lore. The original files exist in my lore, so I can't copy them here. I have to go to my lore and do the same thing to copy these 2 files to my computer. This is a Dropbox. Dropboxes, discussion forums, and tests are items that you create inside of Angel, and they belong to Angel, so they can't be copied into Blackboard. What I suggest you do with a Dropbox or discussion forum, if you have important instructions or information in them, is open the Dropbox or discussion forum and then copy the information and paste it into a Word document and put it in the correct folder on your computer. Tests should be moved to Respondus, and from there they can be moved into Blackboard. Let's go back to our computer and look at what we have. In our Blackboard courses, we have one course. Let's pretend that we've copied everything that we want into it. It's got all of the teaching material that you want to move into Blackboard. And when you get your Blackboard course, you can move this entire folder over to Blackboard. And I'll show you how to do that when you get your Blackboard course. Remember that each file in a folder has to be moved separately the way I just showed you. And this is time consuming, but it's preferable to having to create all of these documents from scratch in Blackboard. If you have any questions, please feel free to call me or email me, walk you through these steps.